my honorable chief guest, respected my teachers and my all friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Fazil. I am studying in Darul Uloom Farooqiyya Johari Kodar. I would like to thank to all the people who given me an opportunity to speak on the public day. Today we gather here to celebrate 26 January. Today we gather here to celebrate 71st Republic Day of the nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. India celebrates the Republic Day every year on 26 January from 1950 because this day is declared as the Republic country and Constitution of India came into force, which was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar after Indian independence. After struggling a lot since 1947, many freedom fighters fought with Britishers for the sake of Indian independence. For example, Mahatma Gandhi, Tipu Sultan, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Abbas Ali, Dr. Zakir Hussain, Maulana Mazhar Haq, Razia Sultana, etc. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only public has the right to elect the representatives as political to lead the leader and to lead the country in right direction. The main aim and intention of the people of the Indian Constitution is to remove partiality, discrimination among people, unemployment and illiteracy, and to make aware of Indian people about the rights, rules, regulation, duties and policies and procedure of the nation, as well as different articles of law of Indian Constitution, which leads the interest of the by providing justice. Finally, thank you for giving us such opportunity to speak, and I am proud to be an Indian Muslim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.